Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour or an update on the construction of the SOL Harbour in Ocho Rios. Now they still have the completion date as December 2025, which is next year. So yeah, it is definitely on track. Now this development is in Ocho Rios, and the north coast is booming with activity now. And this development is sold out. Sold out. This was a very good investment for people who were able to get in. These units, there's 2 towers at 7 floors each. I think in our previous video we had said 2 towers at 6 floors, but it's actually 2 towers at 7 floors, because some persons commented that it looks taller than 6 floors. It's 7 floors. It actually looks taller than 7 floors too, but when they're finished we will see what's going on. Now Ocho Rios is one of the major tourist towns in Jamaica, so any real estate you can get in Ocho Rios is going to do well. Airbnb, these units are perfect for Airbnb rentals. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Proven Properties' latest project in St. Ann, SOL Harbour, located in the heart of Ocho Rios, is positioned as an investment opportunity for those looking for a vacation property. We're selling this to investors in Kingston who want that vacation property. You have your party weekend, you can come down. If you're not using it, you can rent it out. And it's also being sold to people in the diaspora, explained Campbell. SOL Harbour represents a $5.13 billion investment and features 2 modern 7-story high-rise towers with 140 studios and 12 2-bedroom apartments. The development includes amenities like a clubhouse with a pool and gym, a jogging trail, landscape gardens, lobby lounges with a concierge desk and rooftop access. Studio apartments are priced starting at 36.5 million Jamaican, while 2-bedroom apartments start at 74.5 million Jamaican. And the 1-bedroom would work out to the studio would work out to 235,000 US, and the 2-bedroom 479,000 US. Construction began in June 2023 with completion expected by December 2025. So that's the end of the update article, and it's a Chinese contractor that's doing the work, so that's why it's moving so quickly. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and we'll keep you guys updated on this development and all the other developments taking place, especially those on the north coast. And this is actually one of 3 developments that Proven has in the works. They have Vista in Mandeville and Bahari in Runaway Bay. And we'll give you guys regular updates on all 3 developments. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.